How to post longer Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find a fin icon. Click on the plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that, your gallery will open up. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find a fin option. Set it to Reel. Now, go ahead and select the video. So you can see that I have selected the video of more than 2 minutes. After you select the video, click on Next. Once you're on this page, you can see that at the bottom, the time is 90 seconds. That means 1 minute and 30 seconds. Instagram will automatically trim your video and make it up to 90 seconds. But as you want to post longer reel, what you have to do is click on cancel and hit back. Now set it to post, then select any of the video. So you can see that I have selected the video more than 2 minutes. Now you can click on next. Now at the bottom you can see the length. Instagram has not changed the time frame for this video. Now you are able to post this full video. From here you can make the necessary changes, edit your video, then click on next, and then you can share it. The full video will be uploaded. So this way you are able to post longer Instagram reels. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.